Yeah, side.
Yeah. We're just waiting. God's going to be working big miracles in your life, girl. And then we'll do another video and we'll show the wonderful things Jesus did for you when you're walking. The next video we take, you'll be walking. Now, wasn't there a surgery that we were told that might be able to help her walk again?
ஆப்ரேஷன் பண்ணா 1 மந்த்துக்குலாம் சரியாகுது. ஆனால் அது 15 இயர்ஸ் வரைக்கும் தான் அது வேல்யூ. அதுக்கப்புறம் திருப்பி ஆப்ரேஷன் பண்ணணும்.
Actually, I went to a hospital, the big government hospital. I went to a government hospital and after நிறைய டாக்டர் செக் பண்ணாங்களா? The specialist came and the ortho specialist came and checked me and they told that if I go for an operation I will get healed, but even after that there will be some problem. That is, if I go for an operation only for 15 years I will be doing good. Again the next 15 years again I need to, so every 15 years I need to do the operation, then only I can able to lead a normal life.
We're going to wait on Jesus healing.
She said,
amen.
So she said that now she's saying that I don't believe in medicine.
Amen.
Medicine cannot able to cure me, only Jesus.
Amen.
Jesus is the chief doctor.
Yes.
No, chief doctor. Jesus is the chief doctor.
So you guys have been having problems with some of the people around, and now you're going to be evicted? Explain a little more about that.
Actually, sister, சொல்லுங்க என்ன ப்ராப்ளம் சொல்லுங்க. என்ன
அதாவது நான் இப்படி இருக்கிறதால என்னை சுற்றி நைபர்ஸ்லாம் இருக்கிறவங்க என்னை காலி பண்ண சொல்லி
என்ன ஆக்சுவலி என்ன அப்படி இருக்குன்னு சொல்லுங்க. பாத்ரூம் போகிறதெல்லாம் அப்படி எங்கே போகிறீங்களா?
அது சில பேருக்கு ஸ்மெல் அடிக்குது.
Okay, actually since she was like this, that since she couldn't able to walk and so that she couldn't able to take shower often, so that they because of her this situation of this disease, the neighbors around her hate me a lot, and then this house owner don't want to keep me anymore in this home. They wants me to vacate it soon. I'm looking for a new home. Anyway, I don't know, soon I will, by the grace of God will get us a new house, a new rented house for us. Since they feel that since I'm not taking often showers or some smells comes out from my body, so that they feel bad about it, so that no one will come near and அது பேசுறதுக்கு அது பண்றாங்க. யாருமே பக்கத்துல வர மாட்டாங்க. They got some problem to because of her, that is she's like this, she couldn't able to walk, and then those things they feel a little bit of difficulties with her, so they don't want to keep her anymore, so they said that to vacate this home soon. Our Indian climate is too hot, so this season the climate will shoot up to 108 Fahrenheit, so it's very tough to live even in the stone house. Even though the walls are laid in stone, but the roof is asbestos sheet. So it will keep lot of heat inside. So it's like a mini oven.
Yes.
Mini oven.
And there's no windows here, right?
There is no window here. So there is no window here. Window at the back. So if they close the door, they will get suffocate. So but
the bugs are they have
all the things
a lot of bugs because they have to keep the door open.
This is the worst house in this place. So even for this worst house, they are paying 800 rupees as a rent. So they are paying 800 rupees as a rent.
And that's
so if
without.
They want to switch out to somewhat better home, means they need to pay at least 1,500 rent. 1,500 rupees as a rent.
Okay.
So
and does that include electric bill?
அது 1000 ரூபாய் வாடகை போனா எலக்ட்ரிக் பில் எல்லாம் இன்க்ளூட் ஆயிருமா சிஸ்டர்? அது இன்க்ளூட் ஆயிருமா?
அது எவ்வளோ வருதோ அது கொடுக்கணும். 1,500 கொடுத்து அதுக்கு மேலே 100 200 வந்துச்சுன்னா மேலே கொடுக்கணும்.
So they need, apart from the rent, they need to pay for electrical bill.
So that's extra.
And then electrical bill, the motors pay பண்ணனும். They need to pay for electrical bill. It will take some 200 rupees. And then food, this is a food எல்லாம் 3 நாள் சாப்பிட்டீங்கன்னா
எல்லாம் சாப்பிடுவோம்.
அல்ல எப்படி ஏதாவது ஒரு நாளைக்கு எப்படி சாப்பாட்டுக்கு எவ்வளோ ஆகும்?
சர்ச்சில் ஒரு 5 kg ரைஸ் கொடுத்தாங்க. அம்மா வந்து கடையில் போய் வாங்கிட்டு வருவாங்க ரைஸு. மாதத்துக்கு வந்து 8 kg ரைஸ் போடுவாங்க.
In the church which we are going now, the pastor is a wonderful man. So he will give some rices to us, rice bags, small rice bags, so that we are living with that rice bag. So it will take just 800 rupees for 850 rupees for our food.
Now, in order for you to get in a clean environment, a house that's a small place that's sufficient but clean and a healthy environment, what would the cost be? Krish, what would the...
I think I suppose that if they need to switch over to a small, very small, not the big one. Smaller means little bit bigger than this.
Yes.
But not that as with a concreted roof. If they want to switch over to that concreted roof, a small but little bit bigger than this room, with a healthy and clean environment, they need to pay rent as 1,500 rupees.
Okay, 1,500 rupees.
More than 1,500 will take, but anyway 1,500. I have faith that I can able to look for them house with the rent of 1,500 rupees.
And then they would need an extra.
There's a formality that if anyone going as a tenant, they need to pay the advance, that is deposit.
Yep, same as in Canada. In the States.
Deposit also take. I don't know what it is. So here for the rent 1,500, we need to give them a deposit as 10 months rent yearly. That is 15,000 we need to give them as a deposit, and then every month we need to give a rent as 1,500. So when we vacate this house, they will give back our deposit.
Yes. Yep, that's
so
the
right
same
now
everywhere.
We don't have the
is $100, is enough sponsors for $100 a month, so that would give just over 3,000 extra rupees. So that would cover your costs. That would cover the basic cost of the expense of the house, the food, and then like a little bit of, you need some nightgowns and some basic necessities.
If they get $100. If they get $100, that is, if we convert $100, 3,000 rupees. If they get the 3,000 rupees, if anyone come forward and help them with 3,000 rupees every month, they will go for a new home with a big spacious room, so that we will arrange a meeting every week or every month once in that, so that it will help them to grow spiritually. And also
Bible study.
And also
is that what you want, sister? You want a Bible study, and then you want to have a new home with a Bible study?
To learn about Bible, that we will start a Bible study if they have some little bit of space, so the people will come, and the believers will come together and join, and then we will arrange a prayer meeting.
Is that what you want, sister?
These are all our plan, but everything.
Is that ask sister what she thinks of that? Is that what she has said that she wanted?
You want all these things? Bible study. She like to pray, sing, and Bible study.
Amen. Amen, sister. Good. I think that's it. So you want to wave goodbye?
Goodbye. God bless you.
And say when next time we send a video out to everyone, it'll be walking, right? Right?
Amen. 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 Amen.
All right. Bye.